In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an A4 document in Adobe Photoshop. So there's basically two different methods here. The first method is to come over to New File in your application, and then we need to click on the Print option in the top navigation. And from here, you should just be able to select A4 like this, and then go and press Create. Now that should go and create an A4 document exact to the correct measurements. Now if that doesn't work for you for some reason, then what we can do instead is come over to File in the top navigation and select New. And then what we're going to do in this right hand side is actually come in Customize our own measurements. So you need to change the millimeter here into pixels, and then all you simply need to do is set the width to 2480 and the height needs to be set to 3508, which is basically the dimensions for an A4 size piece of paper. Make sure the orientation is set to portrait like this, and then just go and press Create. And then once again, that's going to create your A4 document. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.